If you're trying to figure out if you want to go the electric route with your diamond painting pen, I am here to help you out. We're going to get it working, we're going to use it, we're going to see how loud it is, and we're going to really test it out. This one comes with the little edger so that if you get your things out of line, you can use this to line them back up. I actually do use mine sometimes, so it's good to have an extra one. I appreciate that this came with that, a little bag to put it all. And then this is a great tray because look, you take that out and then you can pour it into whatever container you use to contain your diamonds when you're done with that section. And then the stopper goes back in for when you're ready to use it. Handy. Really, this is an upgrade from the normal junk ones you get with a project of some kind. And then of course the pen, it has a charger that came with it. My charger's in the other room because we were charging this. And you've got a replacement lid. I don't know what these are called. That one is maybe, I don't know what you would need this for. Let's give this a try. Now this one is completely cordless once you've charged it, and you are not supposed to use it while it's charging. So if you're on a roll and this thing dies, you're gonna have to go back to the old way of using wax. Boo-hoo. Or get two so that one's always charged. This is my first time using it, so I don't know how long it stays charged before it dies, and I don't know how long it takes to get all the way charged. I've charged mine for about 30 minutes or so. This slips right on, no twisty. And a nice little bag to put it in. I love that. I'm working on these little bookmarks. Aren't they cute? Let's give this a try. This feels very lightweight and cheap. So we're gonna see if it actually is gonna do what it's supposed to do. I'm feeling a little skeptical at the moment. It didn't charge long enough. Oh, okay. Kind of loud, but not so bad that you can't talk over it easily. Okay, back to soft. The grip is very strange because it's so big, it's hard to hold. This is actually awkward to hold this. And the power button is also right there. So I'm wondering how many times while I'm diamond painting am I going to turn it off accidentally? 25, right? Fabulous. Yeah, this works wonderfully. It's really not that loud either if you have it on soft. Listen to the difference when it picks up the diamond because it does get a little tiny bit louder. But not that much, really not that much. That's fabulous. Again though, the size is the only thing. It feels lightweight when you're not diamond painting, but when you're diamond painting, it suddenly gets really heavy. I'm not sure, it's the end of it where the heaviness comes from. And so I'm not sure how long you can last without your hand getting tired because it's just weird. It's weird and off center and bulky. I think that's going to take some getting used to. So let's turn this back on and see how powerful it can get. This is low. Medium. See if it, okay, it doesn't get powerful enough to pick up the bookmark. But it does get powerful enough to pick up the diamonds, and that's really all you need it for. Overall, I'd say this is a pretty good buy. I would give this 8 stars because of the heft of it, but I changed my mind. I'm going to give it 9 stars because without the hose, it's an advantage. I keep getting caught in the hose. The sound is not terrible. It's a little bit louder than my preference, and it's not like you can disguise it. With the other ones that have a hose, you can put those underneath the table. With this one, can't put it underneath the table or you can't use it. So you do have to deal with a slightly louder noise, but I'm curious what you do when you're diamond painting anyway. Are you listening to a podcast, TV, book? So it's not like we're listening to this, but if you're trying to talk to people, it might be a slight annoyance, but it's not so loud that it's going to affect you that much. Overall, I appreciate everything about it, and 9 stars. I hope that helped you make your decision.